Welcome back, students. In English class, I, Kusum Sani, your English teacher. Today we will do writing part, informal letters. You have heard about letters so many times before, but this time we are going to do informal letters. So what is informal letter? Informal letter, or you can say friendly letters or personal letters also. These letters are written to friend or relative, means informal letters are those which are written for your friend or relative. To understand this more clearly, let's read it. Informal letters are used to convey messages, मतलब अपने messages देने के लिए, or to give advice or any news or congratulate recipient, means जिसको हम letter लिख रहे हैं उसको किसी भी चीज़ के लिए हम congratulate भी कर सकते हैं, request for information or asking questions etc. Informal letters or personal letters you can say are written to whom you are familiar with, मीन्स जिससे आप बहुत ज़्यादा फेमिलियर हो उसको हम इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स लिखते हैं. जैसे कि मे बी ही और शी विल बी योर फ्रेंड और सिबलिंग, सिबलिंग मीन्स ब्रदर और सिस्टर, और पेरेंट्स और एनी अदर क्लोज रिलेटिव you can say. While writing letter, you have to keep this in your mind, my dear students, that you should not use any formal language. You should use only friendly language you can say, or make the use of personal or emotional tone. Understood? This is how you write informal letters. So let's read its format. Students, before writing the informal letter, we should know what is the format of the letter. So, what is the format of the letter? Sender's address we will write first of all, then we will write date, after that greetings, then body of the letter, and then complimentary close. So make it more clear. Let's do this example. In this example, at the top of the page, address is written, then by leaving one line, date is written in expanded form, then by leaving one line, greetings, then body of the letter, and at last complimentary close. For example, yours affectionately. So we read it in more detail. Students, first of all, while writing an informal letter, we write address. And whose address you have to write? The writer's address means that you have, if you are writing the letter, then you have to write your own address there. Second thing, where you will write that address? At the top of the page on left side, left hand side, you have to write the address. After that, another important thing what you have to keep in mind is that your address should be accurate and complete. Why? Because after receiving the letter, if the receiver wants to answer back to you, then he or she has to write the same address now. So if it is wrong, then it will not reach to you. So keep this in mind that your address should be accurate and complete. So students, next thing what you have to write after address, first of all, after writing the address, you have to leave one line. Then you have to write a date. Why we write date? We write date because when the receiver reading the letter, he or she can get that when this letter was written, and a date should be in expanded form. For example, if I want to write letter today, so I will write date of today. For example, August 28, then put comma, then year 2020. This is how you have to write the date. Understood? Next is greetings. Now, how you can start your letter? By greetings, because it is informal letter, so no need to be formal. So, if you are writing to your friend, then you can write Dear Sonia. This is example. And if you are writing to your relative, for example, your mother, father, aunt, uncle, then how you will write? For example, if you are writing letter to your mother, what you can write? Dear Mom. And suppose if you are writing to any elder person, so how you will write? For example, Dear Mrs. Sonia. Okay, because you have to show some respect na, to your elder person. So this is how you can write. Next is content of the letter. So in content, in introductory paragraph means in starting, what you will ask about the well-being of the recipient and how you can start. You can start like this also, like that that you find them in good health and great spirit. Means basically you have to write in the opening of the letter casual and comforting language, so that when the receiver is reading the letter, he or she understands that this letter is written by any relative or close friend. So make them comfortable by writing such lines of concern to them. After that, proceeding towards the content, next paragraph, you have to maintain a friendly tone by the language which you are writing. According to whom you are writing. For example, if you are writing to your younger or to your friend, then casual with them. And if you are writing the letter to your elder, so you have to show your respect also. Understood? So this is how you have to write the letter, by maintaining the language also. Language of the letter should be according to the person. Next is conclusion, means at the end of the para you have to sum up. You have to give the summary of the reason for writing the letter, and your language should be meaningful and affectionate while writing the goodbye to the reader. And don't forget, students, that you have to invite the reader to write back or reply to your letter, which shows an intention to keep the conversation going on. Means ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि आप चाहते हो कि आपके बीच में ये conversation चलती रहे through letters. At last, you have to write signature. So no need to be strict of the format, because this is informal letter. So how you can write? For example, lots of love, best wishes, kind regards, or you can also write your loving niece or nephew. These are some examples. And after writing greetings, you can simply write your name or put signature over there. So students, this is the format. In detail we have read that how we can write an informal letter. I have written one example for you people also. So let's read that example. So this letter is, you have written this letter to your uncle thanking him for the gift that he sent to you on your birthday. So first of all, I have written address 123 Block B, Sector 1, Hudda, Jagatri. After that, I have left one line, and then I have written dear uncle because he is elder to me. Then I have started, I hope my letter finds you in the best way of health and spirits. You have surprised me with your present on my birthday. So students, in this introductory paragraph, I have shown my concern about the recipient. And in next paragraph, I really need a watch that you sent to me. I love its unique design. It will be extremely useful for me and make me punctual. It will always remind your love for me. So in this paragraph, because uncle is elder to me, so I have shown respect and some meaningful words I have used in it. So this is how you can write the body of the letter. Means the language should be appropriate. And after that, while ending the paragraph, I have written convey my regards to auntie. And after leaving one line, I have written your loving niece, Rohini. So students, this is how we can write informal letter. I hope you understood the format and you have listened this example carefully. So today with this video you will get one assignment, and in that assignment 3 letters were there. You can note down in your notebook. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye bye.